Power BI technology. Power BI is not only meant to create beautiful interactive reports and dashboards, but it has many more into it. Power BI has three components. One is visualization tools, another one is Power Query, and the third one is XVelocity in-memory engine. So using the visualization tools, you can create chart, graphs, KPIs, scorecards. You can create filter reports, drill down reports so that your report becomes interactive. So there are many visualization tools through which you can create beautiful interactive reports from your data. Then another component is called Power Query. It is used for data transformation. It allows you to connect, clean, and combine data from various sources. The various sources like text, Excel, you can also get the data from websites or many different relational database management systems like Oracle, SQL Server, etc. So Power Query is used to connect with many sources, and it can be possible the data is not clean. So you have to clean the data and then combine the data and convert it into a usable format. So for example, you may have a column called full name, and the names are written like this: Vikas space Munjal or Amit space Batra. Using the Power Query, what you can do, you can convert it into two different columns. First name column will be separate and last name column will be separate. You want to convert a single column into multiple columns like Vikas and Munjal separate. Similarly, Amit, Batra separate. Or you may do other way around also, like you may have two columns and in the output you want a single full name column, so that can also be done. So both ways are possible. So these kind of things can be done with the help of Power Query, like you can clean the data in the desired manner. Another example is, for example, you have a price, and in the price there is a dollar in the beginning, dollar 100, dollar 150, dollar 200. So you want to remove this dollar from the price column. So that you can do with the help of Power Query also. So by applying the Power Query, you will get the clean column, which is 100, 150, 200, like this. Also, what you can do, you can merge or combine multiple data from different files. So these are the few examples of transformations, and once the data is cleaned into a desired manner, then that cleaned data is loaded into XVelocity in-memory engine. So this XVelocity in-memory engine is a powerful engine where the data is loaded which you have extracted from many different sources, and it enables fast data processing by storing data in memory or RAM. So you have many different sources like Excel, Notepad, Web, SQL Server, etc. So Power Query is used to connect, and then it can perform the transformation operation and also load. So it will be able to extract the data, transform the data, and load the data into the engine which is known as XVelocity engine. And this is a very powerful engine which enables fast data processing, and this engine understands the DAX language. The full form of DAX is data analysis expressions. For example, in the output or in the visualization, you need to display total sales, or you may need to display profit, or you may need to display profit percentage. So these are the calculations. To display those calculations, you need to write the formulas. So all those formulas will be written in the DAX language, because this X velocity engine understands the DAX formulas or DAX language. So these are the three components of Power BI technology. One is for visualization, for displaying charts, graph, etc. Another one is Power Query. Power Query is used for transformation, bringing the data from sources and loading the data into XVelocity in-memory engine. So Power BI internally uses the XVelocity engine, and this XVelocity engine stores the data in memory, which has very fast processing capabilities, and the calculations which you want to display in the output, like total sales, profit percentage. For that you have to write the DAX formulas, because XVelocity understands the DAX language. So these three components work together seamlessly to empower users to analyze their data and create impactful reports and dashboards.